VBeautiful. Would you believe this is my first week in the apartment and we are already having a fire alarm? They say a fire has been reported in the building. So we out here and wow. Wow. Y'all hear that? A fire drill. Whew, well, the excitement never stops. For the last couple of years, y'all see why I'm hardly ever settled, because things like this are always happening. It's not with me, it's just with the whole world. And so, with that said, just trying to stay above water. And yeah. Whew. I mean, y'all, I was just filming and getting ready to sit down and eat, and my plate's sitting out, and so now I guess I gotta go back to a cold plate. But at least, I hope everybody's safe in the building. I hope that wherever the fire is, since they say it's been reported in the building, I hope they get it under control soon, and that we can go back. Now, this is the issue you have to deal with when you live in an apartment complex. But it's good though, At least we know that, or I know that they're on top of it. I don't smell any smoke in the building, but they say it's a fire, so there's a fire. And yeah, y'all. So y'all hear the alarms going off. Just have to wait until the coast is clear and we're allowed to go back in. So until then, enjoy the old fire truck out here coming. So enjoy the rest of your day or evening, depending on where you are in the world, and I will be getting back to you to give you an update on everything. Okay.